So January 2021, I went to Kansas City and got this one right here. This was my very first certification, and it was the natural fiber training and certification at Scott Zitto's. After that, I went up to Maryland with Rolland, and let's see here, the 4th month of the year. So from the first month when I got this one in January, I was like, man, I love that. Let's go back up there and get some more. So I went up to Maryland and got my residential 1 and 2. After that, I went down to Alabama to Roy and Robbins, and I got this one right here. And that was another year. This was in let's see. Wow, okay, I guess that was in 2021 as well, because I'm pretty certain it was 2021 as well, because I went all 3 of them in 1 year. So yeah, that was in 2021 as well whenever I got that. So I did this one in Alabama. Then I went back to Alabama and got this one right here again at Roy and Robbins. And then I drove to Georgia this past fall, and I took my master's test. And that was my last one. I actually failed it that time, and I had to retake the hands-on portion of it, which we had a CFI training here at the carpet store I worked from, and after that I was able to prove my hand skills on that one and pass my test here to be considered a master. So every one of them had lots of traveling involved in them, okay? So again, Kansas City for that, Maryland for that, Alabama, and Georgia, okay? I live in Tennessee, so there was lots of driving involved in all of those right there, but sometimes you gotta do that, okay? Guys, hold on. Some guys will be like, man, I just wish I'm waiting for one to get closer to me. Sometimes you can't do that. Sometimes it'll be forever before they even get to your part of the country. Don't be afraid to go drive and do that stuff. It is definitely worth it, okay? You're gonna, look at the date, you know, from the 21st, boom, 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 boom. 2021, I was all the way up into the second to the highest level in both of these organizations in 1 year. You guys could do it. You don't have to sit and wait on something to come a little closer. Set some money aside, plan for it. It is by all means worth it.